I think the government started well in terms of sitting down with key sectors and starting to have the conversations that perhaps were missing, if I can say that. I'm not being party political. We need a strategic plan in relation to moving it forward, an industrial strategy for the sector and things like that. We can't be reliant on other people's steel. We need a steel sector in the UK, and this government's serious about that, and I want to do what I can in order to support that here in Corby. We've heard some good plans in relation to the investment, and I think you can see around you, that it's visible now and it looks exciting. I think with any change, you've got to take a workforce with you. These are decent jobs around here, and they're jobs that we'd like to see obviously protected moving into the future. The green agenda, if you like, the transition is essential. I think everybody recognises that. It's how we get there, where we've got to make sure that we can get the workforce, obviously Tata and the government, all on the same side, speaking from the same hymn sheet, and getting the sector a future that it needs and a future that the UK needs, because we need a steel sector in the UK. Let's work together first and foremost. Let's build that future. They know probably better than most what that future looks like and how they can get there. And I think that we need to use that expertise that they have, along with Tata, so that we can make sure that we're there to support them in that journey, because we talk about the last 30, 40 years, and Tata's now talking about the next 30 years, particularly here in Corby. And I met the guy who works at the gatehouse at the front when I came in. He's worked here 17 years. He said, I'd like another 18 because then I can match the amount of years my dad did. That's what it means round here. We've got that past, but that past has now, we inherit. It's the future we've got to build, and if we can talk about the next 30 years and he can get more years in than his dad, then everybody's going to be pretty happy about that. The future of UK steel is at a fairly crucial point, and I'm hopeful that we can get there, all, as I say, singing from the same hymn sheet, the workforce and Tata, walking into the future with the investment that we're seeing around here.